You're watching live weather hurricane coverage with the SCOOP news team and chief meteorologist Bob Pick.
Hey, this is Pickle.
And this is Devin.
And we have live coverage from the hurricane. Let's go to Chief Meteorologist Bob Pick. Bob?
Good evening. I'm here at Miami Lake in Miami, New Mexico. And I gotta say, it's beautiful weather. There's not a chance of rain in sight. We're in the desert. Expect it to be about 80 degrees tonight, with a slight chance of the temperatures dropping a couple degrees, but expect it to be in the upper 100s tomorrow.
Wait, Bob. Miami, New Mexico? You're supposed to be in Miami, Florida.
Get your ass on the plane and get over to Miami, Florida.
Oh, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Good evening. I am now in Miami, Florida, and I gotta say, we're having some of the effects of Hurricane Irma starting to come in. We're expecting a little bit of tidal rise to happen here, and we're starting to see some of the wind, a little bit of the rain bands starting to come in. Let's go look at the maps and see what's going on. As you can see, it's coming in into Tampa more than it is here in Miami. So we are getting the eastern side of the storm, which we all know is the beautiful part of it. But don't worry, there's two more storms out there. We have Hurricane Katia, and it's going to be hitting into Mexico here in the next day or so. And right behind Irvin here, we have Hurricane Joseph. And it's going to be building up really strong, really quick. So be prepared, have your water ready, and your gas filled. Back to you in the studio. Good evening.
All right. Thanks a lot, Bob.
I'm pretty sure it was called Irma,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, too.
not Irvin. And
I mean,
Jose,
yeah.
Jose, not Joseph.
Katia,
I don't know the third
not
one.
Katia, I think is what he said on the show.
Oh, that guy. Well,
Thanks for tuning in.
yeah. Stay dry out there.
Stay safe.